started initially as a design-build company calling on architects and designers, which really would be creating solutions that would be on the back of a napkin. So the design-build philosophy is such that we're out there to create unique solutions for our customers that could really be anything from office workstations to full-height private offices, benching systems, but it really comes down to the creativity.
It's been rather incredible. It's influenced the California market because of the customization that fluidconcepts can do that others cannot do. People can start out with a design on a napkin in a restaurant and come up with a beautiful office layout. The fluidconcepts design services are absolutely amazing because when you have a project, you're assigned a designer, and that designer will take your AutoCAD plans and drop the furniture into the plans for you and come up with a beautiful color rendering and a quotation for you.
The other nature of the product line is that we can basically fill in materials. So this can be a very linear kind of approach to dividing materials, or we can actually use very specific materials like resin-based materials, laminate, fabric, fiberboard, felt board, any kind of material. So it allows designers and end users to be really flexible in how they would dress up the skins of the office. So part of the interior architectural solution is that the furniture can be freestanding, or we can actually mount furniture directly to the wall. So it all depends on how flexible the client's looking to be. The other thing is that we can build electrical into the actual office. So what we have here is our runway electrical spine that has a flip-up access accessory rail, and basically has our plug-in 8-wire 4-circuit system down here, and it has means to actually power and provide access for your data and electrical cabling above. Another important factor in offices these days is height adjustability. More and more workstations are being specified with electrically height adjustable desks or gas lift desks. We have a whole line of different types of desks. So they allow users to basically raise the height of the desk to standing function, or getting it down to a seated function, or somewhere in between. So the media center allows us to basically have a private area to sit down and have meetings. So this is at 36 inches high, and we can actually provide this at 36, 42, or 29 inches in various heights. So this is one of our new systems called our key benching system. So what it is essentially a laminate system that has laminate gables and dividers, and double mounted overhead. So essentially we have access on all 4 sides. The unique part of this is that this overhead actually can be turned 90 degrees with the same hardware. So if a client would like their overheads laterally or 90 degrees, it can all be done by the end user using the same system. So this is our key reception station. So we have a number of different laminate offerings in terms of doing reception stations, where this is a modular approach where essentially we have a 24-inch module in the middle and 2 return modules. So all this comes apart, so it allows you to design admin stations or reception stations in a very modular approach. These transaction tops actually just slide on to the front here and can be disconnected quite easily and relocated to different areas. We're also providing lighting underneath that just offers a nice, attractive approach to spill some light down below in a very cost-effective way. So the uses and purposes for this product are essentially anything which is either a temporary movable station or something that just needs to be relocated. So we've been doing them in healthcare, for government, insurance, hoteling for companies, and it's been really well received.
The creativity that comes back to you from fluidconcepts is pretty remarkable, because you can be a high-end architect, an important end user, or an office furniture dealer, and they will help you create something that's just magnificent for your clients to work with. And their creative abilities based on your input is something you just have to try to believe.